Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Som and you are watching Coding for Beginners. In this video, we will make an app on MIT App Inventor. So, first you have to open your Google Chrome. Then go on MIT App Inventor website. You can see the front page is like that. Click on Create Apps. You can see left side top Create Apps. Close this tab. Choose your account which you want. Then you can see your projects will be visible here. If you cannot make any project, then your project will not seen here. Then there is project 19. All my projects are there. Then first I have to open that project. Name is project. Yes, you can see here. There is a image picker. One minute. These are components. First is a switch, is here. Second is in slider. There are 3 sliders here, and one image and horizontal arrangement. Okay. Then first is image picker in vertical arrangement. There are one vertical arrangement and one horizontal arrangement. If I okay, then what is the components of that image? Can you tell me the yes? Now can you tell? Yes, by cursor on that image picker one, then horizontal arrangement one, slider 2 width, slider 1 height, slider 3 background, and last switch one, vertical arrangement one. By now in blocks, you can see the coding is completed here. First I explain you the code so that you cannot confuse. So the first code block is when slider height position changed, do set image 1 height to get thumb position. The first there is we have created a variable, means that slider 1 height when slider 1 height position change, means when slider 1 height position change, image 1 height to get thumb position, means height will change size of thumb position. Like same for width and When slider the background changed, do set horizontal arrangement background means that is horizontal arrangement. You can see horizontal arrangement. Sorry. Oh. Yes, see. This is horizontal arrangement on background color to make color block from colors. Make a list. Get thumb position. This is the thumb position of slider background, and then 50-50 according to RGB. Then when switch one change, do set image picker one visible to false. On the visible to false means that will not visible. And when image picker one, after picking do set image picker one section. Okay, means it will pick the image from your storage computer. Sorry, means your mobile storage. So this app will not run here. You can run it on your mobile or iPhone or another. First, there is a connect option. Click on cancel. Click on AI companion. 1 minute, I am bringing my mobile. Click on AI companion and scan the QR code given in the computer screen with the help of MIT App Inventor app. Remember MIT App Inventor app. First scan it, then connect it. It in process, it is long process. If that is not working, then go in build, click on Android app APK. It will 100% work if AI companion not working. It is completed at 50%. Now you can see the QR code is visible here. You can scan this QR code with any other QR code app. Then open it. Click on download. Now you can see here our app is ready. When you are click on, then you are to select the photo. When you are slider 1, it is changing. Then slider 2, it is changing the width. Yes. Now this is changing the background color. Then you can select any photo. For example, I select this photo. Now you can see is visible here. Yes. This project will be visible like this. Yes, like this. Yes, you can see it's visible properly. Bye guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe our channel Coding for Beginners and like video, and do not remember to click the bell icon. It is behind the subscribe button. So bye guys, we'll meet in next video.